My name is Ram Krishna Khairam. I'm lecturer in physics. I'm going to teach you physics for class 11 and 12. Hello friends. Ngasi akoina taguduriba topic asi class 11 gi syllabus ki manung da yawa chapter work, energy and power ni. Hariba chapter sida akoina maruina work, energy, power gi matang da yam kupna nei nagani. At the same time akoi collision gi matang da su akoi nei nagani. So let us start ko. Ahamada akoi work se kai no se physics study work haiba pot si yam art leiba meaningful oiba poram oi mai mathematically akoina express to pushi and work done si koina ani thona khaidui work done by a variable force habam ne work done by a constant force habam ne hoji akoina togdori bisi work done by a constant force ni si hariba akoina work done by a constant force yenge hai taragadi akoina object ama losi ko. So let us take a surface on the ground, surface ama thamsi hariba surface si akoina force ama apply to si force karma force constant force hai begi atadi kaino mai value taingi matungina displacement matungina kaim change to ado fix oidu. Now see force akoina apply to re general case naina nabagi damakta akoina hoji force si kitang phaina akoina apply to ko. Now see force na apply to matamda let us suppose hariba object se masi hana leremi ba mai position se si position dagi smine chatne lor se yare ko ditadi mana chatoriba displacement se she kya manarni. So let us suppose d vector ni lor se. Now sigi force na now making an angle theta with the d direction shida. Now sigi jo koi theta ni lor se adoi ta di khoi apply to force se we can resolve into components haidi along the vertical ko that is f sin theta and along the horizontal that is kari f cos theta. Now sigi f cos theta hai ba sigi components hai sigi components na ne ba akhoi gi object si lenghalisi yan tare ko adi tagadi high force akhoi na work done se kamaina define to gadage hai matam da the work done ko by the force is defined to be the product of the component of the force in the direction of the displacement and the magnitude of this displacement. And habi atadi the work done can be written as the f cos theta times the magnitude of the displacement. Now sigi format se f d cos theta da lakadui ni ko masigi format se koina scalar product natraga dot product sina taragadi koina scalar musung dot product kai khangi any vector any ki dot product lobusi ko kamai to ba hariba vector and gi magnitude times cos theta oidro aduna di force amusung displacement si vector ngatani aduna in more precise habi atadi yamna sengna akoina sigi formula se thamge hai taragadi we can define the work done by a constant force as the dot product of f and d. So sigi formula se khoi dum yam kanam formula ningsing bodu yam lai ba ko. Now next khoi hariba work done je khoi na khangre f d cos theta ne na aduna di hariba work done si khoi physical quantity ohum da depend tore khoi force ne adagi magi displacement ne and the angle between the force and the displacement. Adudi at the same time work done si khoi kamai to bya work done si positive oi bishai negative oi bishai and zero oi bishai adu kamai na na maram di sida theta ama sida yaw argument hadi sida angle ama yaw se sina positive negative si mar khaidor ka toine adudi yeng si ko hoji khoi fast positive work done positive work si khoi na hariba object si displacement the learner si by the application of the force hariba force se si hariba khoi force apply to matam da hai adu angle ama lakani na ko angle see force now this theta see it is in between 0 degree and 90 degree oraba adi ta de khoi work done se positive na hane manam di kai manam gi force ka displacement di khoi fix le helasi theta si di cos theta si 90 degree 0 amasung 90 degree man le ring di ma si positive oine. So therefore the work done will be obviously kari positive work done. Example and have the kind of put a mine a force some sinner chinging kalasi forces from the chinging kalasi object to some kalasi adu tagadi have force to ga displacement to ga same direction later banina theta obviously 0 degree tar kani ko adu kan da koina kama habi ai work done se positive ni na habi hai yare ko. Next da koi negative work done gi si hai ba koina object sine kai gumba haidi koi lein lower si ko si koina force som na kan apply to angle si adu displacement som na kan le ring kalasi yare ko the angle between the force and the displacement se masi kya lakani 90 amasung 180 degree is marakta soin lakani ko adui kan work done se negative soin oine so therefore this theta is in between 90 degree and 180 degree ko adu de kamai to diba the work done will be obviously negative example am lausi example am lo matam da khoin uji ho sumaina object am leren khalasi yare ko rough surface ni friction lane lor si akhoi is the force am apply to matam da if the object moves in this direction adubu force of friction ni krom nakandali ni som nakanda in that case kamai to ba the direction of the displacement will be in this direction aduga friction force no som nakanda so therefore the work done by the friction force hai adu kana negative tane because high level friction force to ga displacement to opposite direction le ramina the angle between them will be 180 adubu cos 180 di kya manai -1 yes so therefore the work done in that case will be negative so there are so many examples ko so you can read it from some other books ko aphaba phaba direct ginga dum pa bi ai ko negative everything si next akhoi uji yo zero work done umi si zero work done se kamai to ba zero work done tabagi di mai condition hum lakane ba condition hum se kamai to ba maram di work done se force ne displacement ne adagi angle ne ada depend to bonina the high variable hum se ama hek zero erba adi ta work done do zero ine khoi fast khoi yeng si if the displacement is zero high the position leng dra akoina for example wall am leng khale se the force am apply to nam meng khale si wall chung leng ui dina ko adui kan da akoina kamai to ba ai work done se zero in haina lo ba ai aduna tragasu karigumba akhoi force na zero erba force apply shudok togdraba adu tade pot ju chungleng lero ai spine sigi object spine thameng khale si I do not apply any force object to chungleng leng roi adu kanda my work dun zero tane adi atopa case na yam important oiba ko angle se kariba 90 degree erba force som nakale raba displacement som nakale raba 90 degree erba adu kanda work dun se zero tane so let us see ko object leng khale si my object when force apply to re displacement is from nakal le and if the force is also in this direction adu ka kamai to ba the angle between them is 90 degree ko in that case the work done will be zero aduna di high riba condition hum sida ama he zero eraba haidi displacement ga force ki either zero obe ai natraga angle si 90 degree obe ko adu ka da work done se zero in yare ko aduna di the work done will be zero in the above three cases amuk remind to ge displacement zero eraba work done zero erni force zero erba zero erni the angle between the force and displacement 90 degree erba zero erni adu amuk to the hum zero erba yaro amuk to ani zero erba yaro maran the zero se define to dabani na yare ko now hoji koi work done zero tab se kitang important oi hoji example am lok si ko masi yam na khoi reality da yam toina thengna da ba pot oi maram na koi example am lok si ko adu ta de mo gyan tani ko now example haraga the work done by the centripetal force obviously zero oil masi si ekoina proof to noi de makta khoi uji object am losi khoi circular path ta trace to losi ko circular path minus le losi and let us assume that the object is undergoing uniform circular motion ko adu ta de khoi kamai to ba center si dot sin losi now height of object if the object is moving in this direction na kana chale losi anti clockwise chale losi ko adu kan de kamai to ba the displacement will be in this direction object to gi at that point sigi point si the my displacement se kamai to ba som nakal laine tangential to the circle yare ko now centripetal force karom nakal it is always directed towards the center aduna kamai to deba at this point you will find that the centripetal force som nakal laine so therefore the angle between them is obviously 90 degree aduna kamai to tare the work done by the centripetal force on the object will be obviously kya ta doiba zero tane kai marangi because work done is equal to f the cos theta do 90 degree hapchalani that the work done kya ta ni cos 90 is zero natro aduna kamai to doiba the work done will be zero next ko unit of work to si ko work ta ko unit of work si magi value ma pibam thui ko ana ko unit of work si ko kamai to define to we hai yo ko theta di ko gi dimensionless ni my unit yaudi ko unit less ni ko aduna akoi work done di force amasung displacement orebani na force ki unit ne kai oi newton adai displacement unit ne kai oi meter newton meter se abusibu akoi ne kai kore joule kawe yani ko adai my dimension is same as the work ko it is equal to ml square t to the power minus 2 nm so please note it down ko next akoi atopa unit su yeng si earth haiba ma ko earth si kya ga man again earth si 10 to the power minus 7 joule ga manai ade electron volt shisu atopa koi energy unit amani you will study when you come across nuclear physics the nuclear physics the yam to senior kani ko electron volt is ko adama si 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule ga kanai ade hit ta su nang calorie haibam te calorie su ko work ki atopa unit amani ko adama su kya manai 4.186 joule ga manai at the same time kilowatt hour su kya mandoi ba 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule ga manai next da khoi ji khoi na so far khoi na study to the work done by a constant force neba hojik the work done by a variable force tok se hai variable force di khoi gi ke haine kamai to ba displacement tung ina change to bai tare ngak chal roga mai value change to ba ngatang chal roga mai value change to ba so these are called variable force and khoi variable force is the function of x ini ko where x is the distance from some reference point and khoi ji any object amada koi variable force amna work done to well or ko aduna de koi graph tagi yek pai ai graph mi x f x na som nakal re adagi muk now sigi shina so this is the work done by the object ko so chale lor si now x I haiba koi initial position di chale si ko adoge x final chale lor si so now in this particular graph she graph na show to she koi variable force amna object am the work done to buni ko masi koi graphically ye thok pai tare ko so that we have to find out their usual expression adun dekho kamai to ba sigi graph sigi koi kamai to ba graph sigi koi area ma sama yam pick area ma sam lok se ye ko sigi area sigi magi value si kya ga manage hai matam da haidi yam pick area ni ko that variable force times the small value of the infinitesimal value of this del x yare ko aduna yam pick value ni sigi haidi my area puthoke haidi kamai to ba you have to integrate the entire sigi graph sigi nang integrate tok tare ko aduna di khoina kamai to ba for varying force the work done is equal to the integral of force over a displacement. And the sig areas must represent to see small work done. Yam pick ba high ba sig displacement kitang chat pada yam pick pa work done dune. Aduna di entire x then x e pamana chat matam da total work done kyam towi hai target koi kamai tok tare f x di function ni koi chum nagi isam samti jena badi aroi so we have to integrate. Aduna di kya tarakani that integration will become this value. And work done is equal to the integral of the variable force times dx ko ranging from xi to xf and then f x ki value se then any value piram matam na high integration toroga magi interval ki value dapse lagana na my work done yam line puthok pe sini koi work done by a variable force ni next energy to si energy di kaino the energy of a body is defined as the capacity or ability of the object to do work haibani energy le chagadi khoi aina ngangi shu ngasi aina ngangi shu energy le to energy le ai ngang mangamoi natra adna khoi kayuma something work ama to wangam ba khoi physical quantity ni ma se ko ado hari energy le ragadi khoi work done to ngum duini ko aduni man hojik sida si definition hai si maruina khoi hojik sigi chapter se ne du sidi kinetic energy amasung potential energy hari ba kinetic energy amasung potential energy se together they are known as mechanical energy hai khangnei ba khoi so let us see ko one by one ko quite fast kinetic energy akoina energy ji khoina yo yam kanna chen ba nupang ba yam tamna chen nupang ba nana kayumba kham gen khalagadi karam bane hena nang kham wa do malia yam kanna chen ba duna khara hena energy liba man ro sen harda aduna di kinetic energy is defined as energy possessed by a body by virtue of its motion harbe any object man lenga ba di kinetic energy shuk shoi na lerne yare ko next the kinetic energy si kai ga manage ha matam da any object ama if an object is mass si object si my mass si m nen khalasi if it is moving with the velocity v then my kinetic energy ko na kamai define to ya ge ha matam da half mv square si formula sin ko ilai line ha object to gi my velocity kyam lege se yam line hot pi now high kinetic energy expression si da khoi velocity si depend tor bina kari mo object ne race le ba suling leng green khalasi swine leng green khalasi ko oi ta di object gi velocity do 0 tar ne adu kan di khoi ne kehbe ai kinetic energy do overall kya tarni 0 tar now next da khoi gi huji any object ama khoi na move to bai se huji khoi kinetic energy le khangabani at the same time magi momentum su leine linear momentum su khona define the force the ko force ki chapter da laws of motion da we found that the linear momentum is nothing but the product of mass and velocity the amount of motion possessed by an object haibni adu ta di object hek leng matam da my kinetic energy amasung linear momentum leine aduna di ani dugi relation ama leiro sen da so let us try to find out ko aduna di if a body of mass m is moving with a velocity then its kinetic energy ke and linear momentum are related is kamai to be p square is equal to twice ke wave yeah ko see formula si yam kana formula so you can manipulate anang sumai thamashai the linear momentum is also equal to the square root of twice m the kinetic energy hana thamashai Hoji koi let us do ko the relation between kinetic energy amasung linear momentum gi my derivative kamaina sigi formula se la inoi se let us see. Aham koi hoji let us consider an object of mass m moving with velocity v ko. Hoji hariba the object sigi magi the linear momentum se kya ogeda momentum da mv ga manane. Yare ko. Now at the same time the kinetic energy of the body di kya ga manane half mv square. Akhoi sida isam samba mathematical manipulation masam tok tare ko akhoi kamai tawni hairi mathak da hairi object gi m se hairi mathak su makha su khoi m hapsalaba sida su khoi m hapsalaba sida su m hapsalaba ai da obviously kya tarni m square b square divided by twice m tar draw adu khoi na mu kamai tawni b m b do adu mu square lok those adu ta di sig term se kya ga manar kani so this term will become kya ga manar kani the linear momentum natra adu di kya la kani. So therefore, p square tarni, c2m se som nakan thangdo kharni, so you'll get p square is equal to twice m ke. Next, haidi yung akoy uji work energy theorem toksiko. Work energy theorem si akoy gi work done siga yung akoy kinetic energy siga haidi kamay na mali le nege se si manam na takpani. Mana kaya matam da the change in kinetic energy of a particle is equal to the work done on it by the net force. Any object ever sum chatlam bade mai kinetic energy ikhang khang dra change story khala seba adugi change story ba kinetic energy do madu kai manage ha matam da haribu object da work done to bo chap manai sineba haibi arthadi yo the work done is equal to final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy haibi arthadi haribu object to initial kinetic energy chatlam khala si ikhang khang dra kamai to ba force na ek torok padi natraga any external disturbance amadagi mai kinetic energy change story khala seba ko atadi the work done will be equal to the difference between the final kinetic energy and the initial kinetic energy yare ko hoji sigi proof si shu khoi ani thona proof to bai hariba what is it theorem say it is applicable to both the variable force and the constant force ado hariba ahoi kari variable force amasung constant force se se kamaina khoina magi derive to bai ko hai kamaina chumi ne do so let us see ko aham the constant force ki toksi constant force to khoina let us consider the motion of an object amagi motion ama khanar si object ki mass na ml or si ado hariba object se kamai to ba my initial velocity u dagi hadi force ma pisalaga acceleration ma thuoga kamai to ba magi final velocity v acquired terminal or and let us suppose that the object is also moving with a constant acceleration da x direction positive x direction da chalen or so therefore from kinematic equation na koi kai khangi v square minus u square is equal to 2ax yare ko sigi equation si da koi kamai to ba half ko m up hem loi into toxin se so just multiply both side ko by half m na multiply to show eta the sig term se kya ore khoi now sig term si dio the final kinetic energy oidra sina kya ore ni the initial kinetic energy aro sig term si dio khoi 2 to cancel ta hore ma di kai ga mani from Newton's second law ma is equal to force times x dio kya ga manani that will be kari ha work den ga manani. So therefore, this will represent represent the final kinetic energy. Ani represent this will go. So this will represent the initial kinetic energy, and this term will represent work done. No ina hangbayai cos theta de krai chakhargen. Cos theta di since we assume that the object is moving in a straight line chale harina cos theta do force to ga masai haidi kari displacement to ga same direction chale mina cos theta do 0 error neba. So cos theta will become 1 tarni. So therefore, the work done will be equal to final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy. So sin koi constant force ki. Now let us again prove the same theorem for variable force. Variable force ki koi na kamai tawni koi fa kinetic energy hana lor si ko kinetic energy koi na khange half mv square oina. Now sida koi huji mathematical koi manipulation masam to si let us differentiate ko the above equation si kinetic kinetic energy ki equation se koi time derivative lok thok se और तादी कोई जी हाफ का मास का सीधी constant नहीं so कोई differentiation तो बता सीधी है effect और रोय if you differentiate this you will find क्या फंगनी m v dv by dv फंगदोई नहीं यार को हो जी सीधी dv by dm से कहीं का माने that will give you the acceleration at the same time mass into acceleration से कहीं का माने force का अदुन दादे कोई the time derivative of kinetic energy कोई ना कमाई थंबे यार है force time dx by dt ना हो जी कोई ना सिगी v की value से सिगी v की value से ना मु कोई kinematics तकी the velocity is equal to the time rate of the displacement hydro aduna di khoi v se dx by dt na thambe. Now let us integrate this equation ko si equation je khoi integrate tau chuk si asom nakangi khoi gi kari left hand side sidana from initial kinetic energy to final kinetic energy sigisa kamai to ba initial position dagi some final position. And if you integrate tor matung da you'll find that sigis integrate tor matung di kinetic energy final minus kinetic energy initial si de khoi na obviously khoi na aham ta hore kai ne hai the work done by a variable force yan tare ko aduna di. So this also proves that the work done is equal to final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy. Haibi athadi kahano si koina derivation ani si proof ani si koi theorem ani si koi kai khangi for both constant or variable force the work energy is applicable to in both the cases. Yamna koi effective oiba sophisticated oiba koi gi theory ni ko which can be used for various purpose ko which can be used for solving various ko koi mathematical manipulation energy conservation da ko ado ngasi gi oina di mayam matang asida aina kanarabiya technology. Thank you very much.